Ahoy, this is Zdenka. Insta360 sent me very interesting combo. Insta360 Flow 2 AI Tracker Kit. Now, I have to let you know that this is a new gimbal. It's not Flow 2 Pro, it's Flow 2. There is a difference. I will compare them both in this video. The second item I have here is Insta360 Mic Air. Some of you were requesting to test this microphone. Well, it's here now, so you will get all your answers. Then I have here Throwpod and backpack mount. I'm eager to test everything out. This video is brought to you by Insta360. What is Insta360 Flow 2 AI Tracker Kit? Why did they make it and who is it for? Let me read official description. Our product is designed for everyday individuals eager to capture cherished family moments and casual vlogs. Travelers in need of straightforward yet powerful tool to document their travel experiences, and inspiring content creators seeking an affordable and intelligent solution to enhance their social media presence. In simple words, Flow 2 is for beginners and general users who want something more affordable. Flow 2 Pro is for content creators, pros, iPhone users who want all the advanced features and mainly Apple compatibility. It is a cheaper option. You can choose either the gimbal itself without the AI tracker or the AI tracker kit. Both options are $50 less than Flow 2 Pro packages. What is the difference? Let's start with the design. Both gimbals have built-in extendable selfie sticks. They also have the built-in tripods. The Flow 2 Pro has a selfie mirror, the transparent casing design, and tracking ring light. These three features are not available on Flow 2. When it comes to tracking, it's almost the same as Flow 2 Pro. It offers accurate person tracking and animal tracking. You also get active zoom tracking that allows the gimbal to track fast-moving subjects, even zoomed in at higher levels. Multi-person tracking is next. It can track up to 8 people in the group, keeping them all in the center. You can also select the main person to be tracked within the group. Pro Framing Grid is the next feature. It allows you to select custom composition while tracking. It uses the golden ratio where there are 9 grid squares. You just tap one to choose the composition you need. The only thing that is different is that Flow 2 Pro does track continuously 360 degrees. Flow 2 doesn't. There is a stop here. What is the difference when it comes to setup and smart control? Flow 2 allows you to connect gimbal to smartphone via NFC, so you can directly access Insta360 app. Flow 2 Pro allows iPhone users tracking in native camera app and third-party apps. This is only for iPhones. Android users only get the direct access to Insta360 app that Flow 2 has. If you need tracking with Flow 2 in native camera app or third-party app, and it doesn't matter what type of phone you have, you will need the AI tracker. It also has a light. Let's cover creative effects. Both gimbals offer 360 degrees panorama photo, barrel roll, and hoop mode. Flow 2 Pro has 2 additional modes, which is free tilt mode, so you get bigger tilt movement, and 360 infinite shot. Those 2 features are not available on Flow 2. Let's cover accessories. This is the Insta360 Mic Air. This is the case. Inside is the transmitter with a magnetic clamp, receiver, charging cable for the transmitter, a necklace for the transmitter, and wind muffling. This mic can be used with smartphones, tablets, and computers. If you have Insta360 X5 or Ace Pro 2, you can just connect the transmitter via Bluetooth. The advantage of having this one with Insta360 cameras is that third-party wireless microphones are limited to 16 Hz audio due to transmission protocol limitations. Mic Air delivers true 48 kHz sound when connected directly to Insta360 devices. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is up, and this is the sound strictly from the camera. I have microphone off. I am walking here on the beach. There are people playing volleyball there. The season is back on, which is awesome. Let me go ahead and enable the microphone. Well, how do you hear me now? The sound should be way better now, so the microphone is on. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the microphone. What I personally like is that I don't have to have anything plugged into the camera. It's all Bluetooth connected. That's what I was hoping for will happen, and it's finally here. So I really appreciate that. Let me just show you what's ahead of me, that giant ship today. Today is a little bit hazy day, so I'm glad I didn't shoot sunrise because I don't think it will be that impressive. I was told that more Insta360 cameras will be supported via future firmware updates. How do you use it? Receiver goes here, transmitter goes on you. Press once transmitter to start and stop recording. Double press to enable noise reduction. It has a setting for indoors noise reduction and outdoors. If you triple press, you will mute and unmute the mic. If you press the receiver once, you can adjust the audio input level. It has 3 levels. Quite straightforward, very simple. I'm at my typical testing location when it comes to sound. There's a lot of traffic around me. So right now I have noise cancellation feature off. This is why I'm here. I just want to see how it works. I'm gonna get quiet so you can hear the traffic. Let me go ahead and enable the noise cancellation. So now it should be on. I should have my voice more isolated. You should be hearing less traffic. I'm gonna get quiet one more time. There you go, this is the sound. The next accessory available for the phone is the Magnectic Phone Mount. It's very useful as you can also use it as a stand for the phone. This is called Throwpod. Now, I'm very familiar with this system. Do you remember the video What's in My Camera Bag 2025? I have very similar smartphone stand there. It uses the same base. You just tap the bottom, this all opens up, and then you just pull it out to the height you need. You can mount gimbal on top of it and you are all set. I really like the bottom part system. It's quick to set up and take apart. The last accessory here is the backpack mount. Instead of always placing the gimbal in a backpack or just constantly holding it in the hands as I do, you can just rest it here. I really liked using it when I was filming this video, as I always have to carry another tripod with other camera to film all this, so I found it pretty helpful. I think Insta360 is on the right track. These are all very practical, especially the microphone, very practical items, easy to use, and these days, a budget-friendly option is always welcomed. All these items are listed below the video in a video description. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in one of those videos next. Ciao, ahoj!